What's going on, little buddy? You okay? You was right there chilling? Where's your mama at? You're yawning? Why you over here by yourself? Is that your brother over there? Your sister, whatever? They just left you over here by yourself? You ain't got nobody to play with? You don't even know where your mama is? You okay? Why you over here by yourself? You all alone by yourself? Why you ain't got nobody to play with? It's okay, little buddy. You'll be just fine. Okay? I wish I could pet you, but I don't want to do that. I don't want to scare you away. Okay, little buddy? It's okay, little buddy. You okay, little buddy? What's the matter, man? You okay? You alright, man? What's the matter, little fella? It's okay if I could pet you? I won't hurt you. I just want to pet you, okay? I just want to pet you, little buddy. It's okay. I'm not going to hurt you, little buddy. You feel so soft, man. Thank you for letting me pet you, man. I don't like to see you by yourself. And my camera's a little blurry. Excuse me, y'all. Hold on. There we go. You okay? My camera keep being blurry. There we go. It's okay if I could pet you again. You're gonna be okay, buddy, okay? You're gonna be just fine, little fella. I just wanna pet you, that's all. You enjoy the rest of your evening, okay, little buddy? I'm gonna leave you alone, okay? You have yourself a blessed one, and I hope you find your mama, okay? Don't be out here by yourself too long, okay? Bye, little fella. I'm gonna go away. Nice seeing you.